What's up my friends, it's your boy Darryl. So today, your boy is gonna try out the popular WOLFCUT. So this haircut that I'm getting is gonna be really different from the normal one that I'm getting, because normally when I cut my hair, most of the time I'm just like cutting it like short, you know. But this time, what I'll be doing is basically just trimming the front a little bit, you know. This part over here is going to trim it off to around like this length, and then I'll get like a wavy type of perm around the hair to give it like a little wave, and just like thin it out a little if it's like too thick. And I just noticed that I can see my reflection from behind. Hey Darryl. So recently, your boy actually did a vote on Instagram, and I managed to get some of you guys to actually vote, and these are the results. So the first option is getting a WOLFCUT, second one is maintaining it and just growing it out, and the third one is like, you know, just boom, cutting it like real super short. So as you guys can see, you know, the highest vote is on getting the WOLFCUT, and that's what your boy is getting today. So honestly, I really do not know how it will turn out, because I really do not know how it will suit me. It honestly pains me a little, because it took me kind of like a pretty long time to actually grow it out like this. But either way, you know, life is about trying new things, you know, so YOLO. So anyways, before I say sayonara to this current hair of mine, I'll give you guys one final overview of the before and the after. So this is the front, the side, the back. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So this is the new hair. This is the WOLFCUT, my friends. So honestly, I don't know if this new hair is like suitable for me or not, but I think it looks pretty okay. So let me quickly give you guys a quick 360-degree view of the hair. So I just want to say that this look is not the final look that I'm going for, because it's still a little short at the sides and at the back. So my plan is to grow it a little bit longer on the sides and the end. So if you guys are interested in seeing the final look, then do leave a comment down below so that I know and I can make the video for you guys. So that's it for this video. I know it's really short. Thank you for watching my friends, and I will see you guys on the next one. Also, please let me know down in the comments below if you guys prefer this new look.